food is delicious, okay? I know it's not healthy. Once in a while, you can afford to have a few pieces or a few slices of something that's so good.
Mom.
And I'm making
Mom,
Hajan.
what's this Pokemon?
I don't know its name. Okay, we're doing a video. You play by yourself and don't ask questions. I don't know anything about Pokemons. I don't want to know anything about Pokemons. I'm tired of hearing about that Pokemon Go thing. All YouTube, everyone is about that. Okay, let's start our cooking show.
Never buy Pokemon.
Okay, no more Pokemon, okay? Be a little bit quiet, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm making meat patties. Or Masov Karkandak in Armenian. And if you guys are following me, have been following me, you may have seen another potato patties tutorial that I made a while ago. This is quite similar, but I'm making the dough classic way, which is with yeast, water, flour, a little bit oil, yeast, and a few other things. So this is classic recipe of potato patties. What we need: warm water, lukewarm water, flour, yeast, and I use instant yeast, a little bit vegetable oil. This is canola and grapeseed mix. Some salt and a little bit of sugar. And I'm starting by adding my water to the bowl, a little bit sugar. Don't be afraid to eyeball ingredients, nothing will happen. And then I'll put my yeast. Okay. And just give it a mix. This is instant yeast. If you are using active dry, be sure to activate before using. And you can just get some of the water and sugar, yeast, let it activate, and then add to the rest of your ingredients. So I have added this and a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. And I'll start adding a little bit of flour, mix it, and add my salt. Okay, you just don't want to add salt and yeast at the same time, or else that evil salt will kill that poor yeast. So I think this is good enough. I can add my salt, about a tablespoon or so. I will put down detailed measurements on my blog at herine.com. You can check it out and make everything according to the recipe.
Mom,
Hajan,
I love you.
I love you too. And for the filling, I'm gonna use a regular ground turkey. You can use beef or any of your favorite meats. Usually I'd mix turkey with beef, but this is all. That's all I have on hand. So, okay, I'll go ahead and start kneading my dough. It should be non-sticky, soft dough.
Jump! Jump!
I can't touch it.
Mom, I jumped.
I know you jumped. I can hear you. Now the dough is ready. It's nice and soft and non-sticky. I'm gonna use the same bowl, a little bit of oil. Arka, wait, press.
After?
After, yes, just a little bit so it doesn't stick. I think I poured too much. Okay, and then I'll put this here, cover it with some plastic or towel, and let it rest for about 45 minutes to an hour. Depends how warm the temperature is. And after 45 minutes and an hour, it will be doubled or tripled in size. I made one already. Arka, enough of that Pikachu. Okay, this is how it's gonna look approximately. And what you're gonna do is you're going to relax, not relax, okay? Try to remove the air from the dough, just like directly in the bowl. And then cover it again for second rise. That way your dough will be very light and fluffy, and your patties will turn out very airy. So this has been already resting for a while. That was the second rise. So I'll set this aside, go bring the meat, and we'll make the filling. I need to wash my hands. Okay guys, Miki's started. For the filling, I'm grating some onion, and you don't have to, you can simply chop it finely, but my kids don't like seeing onions in any of their food, so I'm grating it so no one can see anything. Okay, and I started, I didn't start. Oh no, what I did. Okay, I'm working a little bit messy today. As every day. Okay, I'm messy?
No.
Yeah, no? Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, so I grated my onion. I started preheating the skillet.
I like onion.
You don't like onion? No?
Yeah.
You like onion?
No.
Of course. And I also need some ground turkey, spices. I have
like
dry
spice.
basil. Dry basil. And then I have cayenne, dry dill, curry,
Is it spicy?
coriander. Yes, it's spicy. Chili flakes, and then
What is it?
garlic powder. I'm trying to remember. And salt, yes. You can always go with your favorite spices and seasonings. So I'll start my sauteing the onions, and I'll use just a little bit of oil.
Jump.
Okay, so I'll saute until a nicely brown color. Add my meat. Fry a couple of minutes, spice, season, and it will be done. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I also add a little bit of rice to my meat. You can choose not to use the rice, but it always makes the meat more softer, juicier, and kind of binds everything together.
Mom,
so I would
it's your
suggest
turn.
to use
Mom.
the rice.
I got
Okay,
even more.
so
Here, Mom.
I'll try this and go from there. Thank you, Arka. Be sure to wash your rice a couple of times until the water is clear. And you're going to cook it until nice, soft, almost like pudding consistency. And meanwhile, I'll continue mixing my meat until it looks fully cooked, and then I'll add my spices and seasonings. I want to start seasoning my meat now, and you don't want to fry it too much, you don't want to make it too dry. This is only turkey, that's why it looks a little bit dry. Usually I'd mix beef and turkey, so just an advice. And for the pudding, be sure you have some juice in there and it's nice and soft. Okay, he loves juice, that's all he heard. So I'll add this, and I'll lower it and start adding my seasonings to your taste. I'm adding about a teaspoonful of black pepper, a little bit of curry, probably a third of a teaspoon, garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic too if you like it. We like it spicy, so I'll add chili flakes, coriander. Fresh greens can be, herbs can be used as well. Some parsley or dill, but I usually go with dry ones. Okay. Alright, so I'll add the dill and salt. Yeah, I did, I think. Okay, I just want to turn this off and continue mixing a couple of more minutes and let this kind of set and cool down before I start stuffing. Okay, and I need to test the and taste the salt. I need salt. Almost no salt. Okay, so I'll see you when everything is ready to go. The meat is ready, cooled down. That's a black seed. Arka, sit this, okay, and eat. And at this point, we're gonna stop using any flour, as if I was using flour. I'm going to slightly oil my surface. Where is the oil? Okay, and I also started preheating the oil. About you will need probably 2 cups of oil for deep frying. And I'll drizzle a little bit oil. It will be easier to work. And depending how big or small you want your not potato patties, meat patties, you'll go according to that size. I want them to be medium size and finish them faster. So you can always use your kitchen scale to make them even size. I started forming my patties, and you want to make sure you start from the very first one, very first bowl. That way the dough will have time to proof a little bit more, and that's also another important thing. And the way to do it is slightly tap it with your fingertips, make it into a circle, place some of that filling in the center, more or less as much as you like. And then bring the tips together, seal, like this. And then slightly tap it, like this. Oops, be careful, Lucinjan. Okay, my oil is pretty hot now, I can start frying. Fry until nice and golden color. I'll do the last one, and I'm also done frying, burning some of them, and tasting. So good.
Can we have one? Can we have one?
Yes, you can. Just wait 1 minute. I'm almost done. This is the last one. Okay, just to show you one more time how I make this, in case the first time wasn't very clear. So you Arka susmana, like this.
Yeah.
Seal the edges and kind of roll it like this
We have
to make it long shape.
The long shape.
Yeah, and then we'll fry it.
Yeah, and we'll fry it.
Yes.
What size?
It's always good to have someone to help you when you make these patties. Someone will make sure you don't burn them. And be sure to put them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. And I'm almost done. Okay, I'll fry this a little bit more, and I'll quickly show you how I make that spicy salt we usually use for our potato patties or meat patties to eat with. Okay, so I'm adding some salt, regular salt, table salt, black pepper, a little bit cayenne. You don't like it spicy, it's not good,
I don't like
because spicy is good. You can leave it out, add some paprika if you like, and just a teeny weeny bit which is almost
Mom,
half a
do you like
teaspoonful.
spicy
Arka, you talk while I talk. Wait. Why? And mix everything together, and it's ready. And it's so good. This is a must powder for your potato
powder?
patties. You want some? Yeah.
Maybe I don't want to.
Maybe another one without that spicy
Two.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want this one?
Yeah. For me and Lily.
Lilith can't eat, it's with meat. Okay, and I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done. So delicious. You dropped it?
Yeah.
Let's get another one. Leave it. Don't touch. Okay, full recipe will be on my blog at helena.com. Check it out. Let me know how you like it. Questions, comments. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And I burned this one. Okay.
I don't
Hopefully you
like
won't be talking to anyone when you make your karashkis. I keep mixing up the name. Okay, that's it. We're done. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you soon. Hajan, let me give you another one. Arka. Here you go. You don't put it under your armpit, Arka.
Why?
Why? Because you can't. Here.
It'll fall again.
Mm-hmm.
You'll give me another.
Yeah, and I'll keep giving you another one.
Imana, por je puserit, partu show un këngë shang.